Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming this is a DNS problem. DNS maps names to IPs, so if Facebook doesn't resolve, the name lookup is failing. Run an ENS lookup or dig for the domain. Note whether you get an IP or a timeout. Try the site from a phone off Wi-Fi or another network to compare. Once done, record your current DNS settings so you can restore them. This narrows the issue to name resolution versus routing, login, or site-side problems. Next, change your device's DNS to a reputable resolver at the system or router level. This route's name queries through a different service, which can fix resolution failures. Make the change temporarily, and then flush the DNS cache on your device so old entries don't persist. On most systems, you can find DNS settings in network adapter properties. On routers, under WAN or DHCP. Make sure to document the original server addresses so you can revert. This keeps your changes reversible and safe. Finally, test the change. Run ENS lookup again and open the site in a fresh browser session with cache cleared. If it loads, keep the new DNS or move the setting to your router for all devices. If not, restart your modem and router, then retest. If the domain resolves on other networks but not yours, this suggests provider or administrative blocking. In that case, contact your ISP or network administrator to request a lawful resolution. Troubleshooting tip: always revert settings if behavior worsens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.